The way I'm feeling lately, might get a wedding ring. I let the basic bitches moved on to better things. And you don't wear no makeup, don't need no Maybelline. And I ain't ask for nothing, but for you to stay with me. Hey.
Welcome back to Cooking with Abby, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy chicken enchilada with some cheesy broccoli rice. So first things first is I'm going to boil my chicken with some onion, cilantro, garlic, and seasonings of your choice. I did use about 4 cups of water for my pot. You can go ahead and use any piece of chicken that you want. This is just what I had in my fridge, so this is what I'm utilizing. As for the boiling process, like I mentioned earlier, we are going to peel some garlic, slice half an onion, and we're just going to put some cilantro in the pot. Go ahead and smash your garlic. What that is going to do is it's going to release all the flavors in the garlic. You want to go ahead and make sure you are boiling this in high heat. And you're going to go in with some black pepper, some chicken bouillon, some onion powder, garlic powder, and whatever seasonings you like, go ahead and add it into the pot. And you want to go ahead and just boil this covered for about 20 minutes on high heat. So now we're going to start with that cheesy broccoli rice. We're throwing in some butter on medium-high heat. Then we're going to add some white onion. Once it turns translucent, you're going to go ahead and add some garlic. Here you just want to season your onions with some salt, some black pepper, and I did do a little bit of some adobe seasoning. Now you want to go in with your clean and washed rice. I cannot stress this enough. Please wash your rice. It makes a big difference when eating. Here I added about 3 cups of water. I think I did about 2.5 cups of rice. So it's basically however much rice you want, just, do the measurements on your rice. And then you just want to let your rice cook. Let it cook for about 12 minutes. Here my chicken has been boiling, and now we're going to remove it from the pot. We're going to strain it and let the chicken cool down for about an additional 20 minutes. So here in this next clip, I have broccoli, and what I did with the broccoli, I'm just going to lightly boil it with some butter and water. So now that my chicken is cooled, we're going to go ahead and start shredding the chicken or pulling apart the chicken. You can use forks, or you can use your hands like me. You also want to go ahead and season your chicken. I did use chicken bouillon, black pepper, some Lawrence seasoning salt, and some adobo. Go ahead and season to your liking. And then we're going to go ahead and slice some onion and some cilantro into the seasoned chicken. Then you want to go ahead and make sure everything is well incorporated. After the chicken is seasoned to your liking, you want to go ahead and add some cheese into the chicken, and then we're going to add our enchilada sauce into the chicken, and you're going to do the same thing, just make sure it's all well incorporated. And you don't want to use all of the enchilada sauce because we're going to use that for later, unless if you brought 2 cans, or if you have 2 cans, you can add 1 whole can into the chicken and 1 whole can on top of the enchiladas. Now here we have our cooked rice, and what I did is I seasoned the rice a little more, and then I did add some sharp cheddar cheese, and then we're gonna go in with some heavy cream. I do not have measurements, so just kind of eyeball it. We're just going to get all of the seasonings, the cheese, the heavy cream well incorporated, and then we're going to go ahead and add our broccoli. You want to get your broccoli well incorporated, and then you want to go ahead and add cheese on top, cover it, and boom, your cheesy rice is done, and it is delicious. Boom, then you want to get to heating your tortillas on your comal, on your stove, microwave, whatever. Heat your tortillas so they don't rip or break, and then we're gonna start rolling them. So what you're gonna do here is just stuff them with chicken and cheese, and boom, just do what I'm doing, roll them up. And remember that rest of that green sauce that I told you to save. This is what you're going to do with it. You're just going to cover all of your enchiladas top to bottom with the rest of your green sauce. Finally, you're going to top it off with your favorite cheese. I did Kobe Jack. And then you're going to top it off with some cilantro, some onions if you like. And then we're going to pop that into the oven uncovered. And I'm going to broil it on high. I'm going to broil it on high for 20 minutes. And then this is your finished product. Delicious chicken enchiladas with cheesy broccoli rice. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought about my video and if you tried my recipe.
The way I'm feeling lately, might get a wedding ring. I let the basic bitches move on to better things. And you don't wear no makeup, don't need no Maybelline. And I ain't asking nothing but for you to stay with me. Hey.